Well, firstly, I love summer. We arrived on Sunday, and we've had an opportunity to speak to the Prime Minister and a number of the ministers already, the Minister of Justice. I've been to Samoa before. I came here for the Women's Conference last year, which was a fabulous conference. So I was really looking forward to it. There's so many issues in the Pacific which are of critical importance to all of us, not least climate change, which poses an existential threat to small island states in the Pacific, but also particularly to the islands in the Caribbean, which, as you know, is where I come from. So there's a real understanding that small, independent, developing states are peculiarly vulnerable, and vulnerable today. I think it's quite worrying for all of us that the speed with which climate change is happening has speeded up, even since the Paris Agreement in 2015. So there's a real urgency for what we're doing. We in the Commonwealth are looking at how we can meld Commonwealth issues and efforts on climate change with oceans, because we very much see this as two sides to the same coin. 45 of our 52 member states are ocean states. And what we see is that if you don't put these two together, you won't be able to actually address the problems in the small island states, particularly in the Pacific. But we think we need to really highlight how important the ocean is. And if we have a blue charter which looks at all of those issues that are in our charter, but through a blue lens, it might be able to make it more apparent to everyone that this is a critical issue that we're going to have to deal together. And I've been so pleased, because of course that is exactly the approach that the Pacific seems to want, and Dame Meg is doing a fabulous job in the PIF, really committed to helping and assisting member states to deliver on the good governance issues, on the climate change issues. So it's wonderful to be here with her and to be able to share in her enthusiasm and dedication. She's a remarkable Secretary General.